3. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a bank feed in Xero. First, open your web browser and sign into your Xero account. From the main dashboard, go to the accounting menu and select bank accounts. Next, click Add Bank Account if you haven't already added your bank. Search for your bank from the list of supported financial institutions and select it to continue. Now, follow the prompts to connect your bank account. Depending on your bank, you'll be asked to sign in using your online banking credentials and authorize Xero to access your transaction data securely. After that, complete the authorization process and wait for Xero to establish the bank feed. Once the connection is active, your recent bank transactions will begin syncing automatically. Next, review the imported transactions in the bank reconciliation screen. Match each transaction with existing invoices, bills, or create new records when needed to keep your accounts up to date. Finally, monitor your bank feed regularly to ensure transactions continue syncing correctly. If your bank requests renewed authorization in the future, simply reconnect the feed by following the same process. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect a bank feed in Xero. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.